Roman and Greek gods, goddesses, and myths. Why myths? Myths answered questions about natural phenomena for the Greeks and Romans. They gave a reason for social order and they tell the history of the world. Romans and Greeks there were 12 Olympians. Here's the first 6. The Roman name Jupiter, the Greek name Zeus. He was the king of the god sky. Symbols were thunder, eagle, oak, and tree. Roman name Juno, Greek name Hera, queen of gods, family. Symbols were peacock, cow, wedding ring. Roman name Neptune, Greek name Poseidon, god of the sea. Symbols were the sea, trident, horse, and dolphin. Roman name Pluto, Greek name Hades, god of the underworld, pomegranate. Symbols were pomegranate, cap of invisibility. Roman name Vesta, Greek name Hestia, god of hearth and home. Symbols was the fireplace. Roman name Minerva, Greek name Athena, god of wisdom and war. Symbols were owl, olive tree, plow, and loom. Zeus and Hera were married. Zeus and Poseidon and Hades were brothers. Roman name Diana, Greek name Artemis, god of moon hunt. Symbols were moon, deer, silver, bow and arrows. Roman name Apollo, Greek name Apollo, god of light, music, prophecy. Symbols were lyre, sun, mice, and laurel tree. Roman name Venus, Greek name Aphrodite, god of love and beauty. Symbols dove, swan, rose. Roman name Vulcan, Greek name Hephaestus, god of fire and forge. Symbols were hammer and quail. Roman name Mars, Greek name Ares, god of war. Symbols were the dog, wild boar, or vulture. Roman name Mercury, Greek name Hermes, god of messenger, divine herald. Symbols were Caduceus and the crane. Fun facts about the gods. All the 12 Olympians lived on Mount Olympus except Hades, Pluto. Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades are all brothers. They were sons of the Titan Cronus. Cronus ate his children to stop them from ruling, but they managed to escape and take control from the Titans. The world was divided into sky, sea, and the underworld. They drew sticks to see who got what. Athena was born from Zeus's mind. Apollo and Artemis are twins. Muses and Fates are real entities of Greek and Roman mythology. There are 3 Fates, and they are responsible of knowing fates of both men and gods. They had a tapestry that had the fate of mankind. Greatest Greek heroes Hercules, Heracles or Heracles, Achilles, Theseus, Odysseus, and Perseus. Other creatures and characters in mythology. Pegasus was a winged divine horse, offspring of Poseidon. Cupid, aka Eros, son of Venus and Mars. His symbol is the bow and arrow. And Hercules, aka Heracles, son of Zeus and the mortal Alcmene, known for great strength.